LGBTQ plus. Ghana of war can Nadia some Kurani, she said, NPP for now almost cancer NDC for opposition almost MPP for Suro and almost Janelle for national LGBTQ plus no almost person message they are not many enough na danko akufado omudi honum na no metena fie ya kan say we need the NPP, we need the NDC to sign the bill. If they are bold enough, they too also have to sign the bill. Almost sign a bill now. Near said that what the NDC told us in opposition is what they are doing. And then it decided we are seeing in our United Nations LGBTQ plus yenin to manami yenin to Ghana for yanko kra. Yanko got to know and yes. Tio. Yes, yanko to aba. Now we are seeing in our United Nations the LGBTQ plus. Yenin tum we are seeing in our army yenin tum. And we are seeing in our metro madrid. Now we are seeing in our omom koto yes, ekoto ye omom koto no koto Ghana nko. Ya nkoto. Oku ye to abra kwa kasa on foreign affairs minister fatoso. Na menkai. Was the LGBTQ plus LGBTQ right vote of abstention was on extending the tenure of some aspect of the Human Rights Council. Minister for Foreign Affairs Samuel Okujeto Abrakwa Akle. Okujeto si oma nyane. Ena abano mokoto ye no kra no. And said that Human Rights Council for no. And Krofobi omo mo so no. Omo extension like omo tenure office no. Ena ye extended the ama wo mo. Na bibia so atimi akọ. Asem Okujeto Abrakwa babeka no ba. You see, Ghanaians are very interested in the LGBTQ plus, the Family Values Act. You see, we need to revisit the act. Mamika se minchiro. Only the entire NDC didn't sign act no, and only the entire NPP couldn't sign the act. Nyabre, jebre, tenase. The Family Values Act in Ibion. Neto was a kind. One ubo se oba crown to me shirt trouser. Tie. Oba idea what acting him now no. It was to force the NPP government to do certain things that they don't want to do. And you see, the LGBTQ no. Why the NPP sat and thought about it? Say, because your parliamentarians say ma almost a try. It is a LGBTQ plus now. It means every parliamentarian or baby and to me shall be my try. Oh, you're gonna to me shall be my try. Everything that will make you look like a man, you can't. It's the bill. Second, say, Bill Nassam Crown to me. The other woman know LGBTQ plus ultimate most wasem, ultimate can even in the public, yet this is what bodine pet, ye be jelu. And another question is, yati gave one I do more coin. Yes, one more ye gay, you are free society him. Ye do more you go one cell, and I be more be a different cell. And we are rather putting them, yet do more you go baby, met me a ye. And now your content creators, you your mama, or my home. And they are making money. That is in the bill. The NDC have gone back to the bill. And almost said that you see, when you are in opposition, you can criticize the government anyhow. But almost said that bill and several women Ghana for. So it is very difficult, even for the president, to assent to it, because now the president said they will revisit the bill. So Bekaya, Yebusa president, after he became the president of the Republic of Ghana, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, or say we will revisit the bill and do it a government sponsorship bill, because maybe will bill anymore. Untiminye. It's a coba untimisha trouser. Beman pub wakran waba untimisha. Adia Beman one day be our ba untiminyu. That is in the bill. When I pay you pet, I was here to near jailu. That was in the bill. Now, Professor Bakwa Kasa, Moses Afo Amwani Esquire, Wakasa, on say, Esquire say, or say, Ghana's decision to abstain from voting on the LGBTQ plus matter at the United Nations was wrong. Moses Afo Amwani Esquire, or a Secretary National Coalition for proper human sexual rights and family values. Yes, honestly, Kasa, proper human rights and family values. Or a secretary, a ex-secretary to them. Or say Ghana corner young corner. And yene kwanso. Because we have to know our stance to that. And we see yes stance to that. Said ye beya Ghana ye move to this direction. Ye kwa ye say ye ko this direction. And to one my year stance, no. Na say na ya kone sa no. How are we going to? Ye be kone saying asomai. Ghana ni ye kone saying. He say ye ji atum anaye nyintum is a question to ask. Na omu wie ye no. Fast forward. Abandon the letter beto abonte when Ghanaians started talking about it. Through the communication minister. That afato sumamina. May I say, through the communication minister and or the letter abba. Now letter ne say day. Mami reading na ye. Or say I didn't okay. Or say the Minister of Foreign Affairs press release. Ghanaians vote on the renewal of the mandate of the independent experts. Independent expert on protection against violation and discrimination based on sexual orientation and gender identity. SOGI, at the 59th session of the Human Rights Council. Or say Accra, 9th July 2025. Sorry. The Minister for Foreign Affairs has closed monitoring media commentary on Ghanaians' votes at the 59th section of the Human Rights Council on the resolution of the renewal of the mandates of the independent experts on protection against violence and discrimination based on sexual orientation and gender identity. The minister wished to clear as follows. There was no vote on the support of LGBTQ plus, for which Ghana abstained, as has been wrongly reported by a section of Ghanaian media. Okay. I say on Monday, 7 July 2025, Ghana abstained from the HRCX vote on the renewal of the mandate of the independent expert on protection against violation and discrimination based on sexual orientation and gender identity. The question before the council was whether persons who identify as LGBTQ should be protected against violence and discrimination or not. It was not about support for LGBT rights. Ghana abstained in the vote to be consistent with Chapter 5, Article 17 of the 1992 Constitution, which specifically prohibits discrimination of the grounds of gender, race, color, ethnic origin, religion, creed, or social economic status. The resolution requests the independent expert to continue to report annual on the implementation of the mandate to the Human Rights Council and the General Assembly in accordance with their respective program of work. In the statement delivered by the permanent representative of Ghana during the session of the season. He unequivocally clarified Ghana's position on the subject by stating in an alliance that our understanding of the traditional definition of gender is the male sex or female sex, especially when considered with reference to social and cultural difference. Similarly, sex in our view refers to either of the two main categories, male and the female, into which humans and most other living things are divided and used for satisfactory purpose and policies monitoring. The Minister of Foreign Affairs is very mindful of the Ghanaian public general oppositions and the government's strong stance against the subject of LGBTQI rights, and will not act any manner to undermine this position. Dear all parties and they say now the NDC administration abano mokoto ye na Ghana fo bi ka se NPP yero kujeto abrakwa Ghana omu dwane omu pese omu bekwa kome yehu omu stance on the LGBTQ plus no ena yero kujeto abrakwa the Foreign Affairs Ministry edikrata ba beto abontini chiri mu se enye saa nete na enye nokore de biara da se omu dwane ede afiri ho na de tiene ne se ade no omu kokoye na aba no omu kokoto ye no wasn't about say omu kwa akọkyerẹ say LGBTQ plus no omu anyi ntuma na omu nyi ntum but omu hwe say LGBTQ ye mo omu kwan na omu nye de omu pe e wo ho na bibia wo no na ono no de Ghana fo ni gitum say Ghana fo say de yenim no ene say ye culture na yamamre kyerɛ ye say ene say de abodie nhyehyɛ ye tie no onyankopɔ even emuo mu kura no oba bema se oba ene bema na nhia bema ne oba na nhia enti se saa na ade ne tie de Ghana fo ye gitum se ye de saa ade no na ye adwuma na omo koso aka kire ye se ade ene na media ne so se ye voting na course no enye voting e na face omo anwane na emom omo no de se de constitution no e ka no in the article 74 no e kire wo mu no ena wo mu di akire na o matimi aye na bibia so atimi akoso na o mu de aban ni gitum se wo mu gitum se the Family Values Act se de oba ne be ma hiem ene be ma no oba hiem no sa ena ye gitum a eno a ena wo mu di so a o mu nsesa wo madwene. But the question is, when is the act going to be looked at? Now ye dey start ye dey call parliament for proceedings for the bill to work in Ghana. Now, so obi boss abra na untimi nya ne hwe wo Ghana. Eti daben ene be sa amra na mabra na ba be adwuma. Ye be ni say ya na parliament ko wiye. Later part of it most ye baba be ye say ye dey ba. Later part of it ya just ye dey ba. Ba denye sa. Ye be sere obia ya mamre ya manye e kire yen. Say oba ne bema na wo so hia. Nti ebesere if the Foreign Affairs Minister, he was the one that was leading on Sam George, was championing this in opposition, they should start the bill, process the bill, parliament proceedings should start. Na yentimi hunu na yehunu the amendment that will make in it, the changes that will make in it in the bill ni emfa meye adwuma because sadie no yempese ebeso so wo yema mu. And we are watching the NDC carefully. Say the mabe issue disclaimer. Say you are still on it. Say the Family Values Act obani beman na. And amuji tumuno. We are also monitoring you.